Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a bushel of apples surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our bushel of apple surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle here. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, giving it another nice fold. So it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the bushel. I'm going to kind of turn my paper sideways so I can make a nice straight line. I'm just going to draw a straight line right across the fold here. Not above the fold, but just right on the fold. Just a nice little straight line. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come in at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Just kind of come in at an angle. Then I'm just going to curve the bottom. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come across here. And then a really small one right across the bottom. Then I'm going to put just kind of like two curved lines right across the middle here. Then let's go ahead and draw some lines that just kind of come down right across here. So we're just going to make these nice little lines that just kind of come down right there. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, on top of here, I want to make an apple. So I'm just going to make one apple. I'm just going to draw a line. It's going to kind of curve up and down. Now I'm going to make another one. It's just going to kind of curve up and down. I'm going to make a little stem. And then I'm going to make a little leaf like this. Next, I'm going to make two eyes on here. I'm just going to make two circles for eyes. And then I'm just going to put two little black dots in there for pupils. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our bushel. So I'm going to start up here and finish this apple. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down and up. And then we'll just kind of curve this to here. Then underneath the fold, I'm going to make a line for the mouth. I'm just going to make a big smile. I'm going to make a little tongue, and then I'll just kind of color in this part for the mouth. Now, I want to make some other apples. So let's start down here. Let's begin by making some of the shapes. So I'm going to make one right here. I'll make a curve, and then another curve. I'll make a curve here, and then a curve right there. We'll make one here, and then one here, and we'll put those little bumps at the bottom. We'll make one right here in the middle, so make those two curves and those little bumps. Let's make one up here. We'll make that curve, and then another curve. We'll do one up here, and put those two curves. I'm going to do one right here with a curve, and then this one, when I come down, I'm going to make some bumps. So it looks like a bite was taken out. Now, next, let's go ahead and add the stems. So I'm going to add a little rectangle shape to each one of these. So we're just going to make that little stem. But then in this one, I'm actually going to make a long kind of skinny stick like this. Now let's go ahead and add some leaves to here. So I'm going to make these little kind of pointed leaf shapes, kind of this pointed oval shape. I'm going to put them on some different sides of each apple. And then this one I'm not going to put any on. Now let's add some fun faces to these. So right here, I'm going to make 2 lines that just kind of go in. We're going to make a big smiley face mouth with a tongue, and we'll make a line across for some teeth. Right here, I'm just going to make 2 circles. And I'm just going to make 2 little lines up here. And we'll make like a little smile. Over here, I'm going to make a line across. Then I'm going to make some lines that go up and down and over for like some sunglasses. And we'll draw some lines in here. And we'll make a little smiley mouth with some teeth in here. Over here, I'm going to make a circle and a circle. We're going to put 2 dots in here. Then I'm going to make a big smile with like a tongue sticking out. Make a little line down the tongue. Next, over here, I'm going to make this one kind of look like a candy apple. So I'm going to make a little wiggly line like this. And then I'm going to make a little line across for the mouth. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down and over and down and over. Then I'm going to make kind of like a grumpy face on here, since this one got turned into a candy apple. Over here on this one, I'm going to make a circle, and then I'm going to make half of a circle, and I'm going to have these eyes looking at the bite. I'm going to put a little line here, and we're going to give it some eyebrows, so it's kind of got like a suspicious look. And then over here, we're going to make this a cute apple. I'm going to make 2 circles for eyes. Then I'm going to put 2 circles inside of here. I'm going to color in the middle. And then we're just going to give it that cute little kawaii mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bushel of apple surprise fold. We have it all folded up. We just have a little apple looking at us. Then we open it up, we see we got all these fun apples jumping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.